Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Red, yellow, brown, blue, orange, pink, green and blue. Look how beautiful it is. These are the colors. Today we are going to study days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Days D-A-Y. O-F of the T-H-E. The week. W-E-E-K. Days of the week. First one. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Second. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Three. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Four. W-E-S-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Five. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Six. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Seven. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the 7 days of the week. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.